everyone. Great to see so many people here. I'm Tom Stone, editor of iVT International. This magazine here, we've got our stand here, as some of you may know, the originator of the iVT brand back in 1993. I think our first edition was published, has evolved since, and we have the Expo here, which we're glad to be a part of. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce who else I've got on stage here. We're going to talk about automation. So first of all, just wanted to set up and think about where are we right now in automation?
Yeah, I think we are at the beginning of a quite exciting journey. I think that it started all with autonomous hauling solutions. There was the highest customer need, I would say, because usually hauling is implemented in bigger facilities. You have quarries, you have mines where productivity matters, safety matters, so there was a natural reason why it started there.
If you're looking at the agricultural sector, beside the guidance that is already there since years, we are definitely looking at the automation of machine functions in a way that we start to build the steps towards autonomous. But definitely everything goes through the automation of working function, because tractor implement combination or even a self-propelled machine is basically doing a job, performing a job like construction and so on. And so we need to look at those working functions in a way that we can be prepared. That is one of the elements that
we come typically from the user interface perspective, provide user interface to operators and also autonomous vehicles. Often you forget about that. Even if a vehicle are autonomous, you need to interact with it somehow, either via radio control or a graphical user interface. So from that perspective, it's not that different.
Now we are seeing the need to design software interfaces, like Frederick said, to deal with this individual components working together, and that's kind of like the main thing. Our focus has primarily been on trying to figure out how do components interact well enough for autonomy to function.
The hot topic at the moment is cybersecurity and the European Radio Equipment Directive. So it's something DeepSeek been working on for some time to make M810, which has Wi-Fi and Ethernet, make it secure for the modern environment to prevent bad actors accessing our equipment or accessing the end user's equipment when they don't want to.
Showing a range of thermal solutions. We've been supporting people with thermal solutions for the last 80 years, primarily on ICE platforms, and now moving more into the EV market. And with that in mind, we're unveiling our 800 volt version of the BTMS system, providing heating and cooling, and having a lot of positive conversations with customers on that front.
At our stand, we wanted to highlight our lithium batteries, high voltage lithium batteries for industrial application, and our batteries certified R100 for road use, and especially our partnership with Delta Q, since we are very close partner with them, and we are part of the Charge by Delta Q program.
So everything that you see here in the booth, we design and develop ourselves, but we offer it to other OEMs, and not a lot of people know about that. We have our 32-bit embedded controls. We're partnered with New Eagle to use their Raptor-based software development tool. We have our power electronics for hybrid and electric applications. We have a number of displays. We have an Ethernet switch, and then of course we have autonomy that we want to share with people too. And we're excited to have conversations, solve hard problems together.
We're here this week showing off our magnet-free electric motors, going up to 225 kilowatts, and then smaller variants up to a peak of about 40 kilowatts.
Showcasing our new line of RT displays. So these are ruggedized CANbus displays, visible in direct sunlight. With RT, it's a real-time operating system. They're high bright 1000 nit and fast boot. We've gone for a very sleek, low-profile design to keep intrusion out of the cab, and fully programmable, so we can create graphics to suit the application as required,
or allow our customers to do their own software.
We are a specialized company for cable or for customized cable solutions. Our main focus is on cable harness manufacturing for industry vehicle technology, as well as for agriculture and construction machinery.